Our FeelSafe sliding patio door has been re-engineered and redesigned to make it the best, most beautiful French slider on the market. The all-natural, all-wood interior is visually free of any man-made components to satisfy even a true perfectionist. Compared to an in-swing patio door, a slider is a great space-saving option. This door can withstand hurricane-force winds with an impressive structural performance rating of PG 5.5. It is also protected by our exclusive CoreGuard Plus, the industry's best wood protection. It features thick, heavy-duty extruded aluminum cladding for a low-maintenance exterior. For your security, it has a 2-point locking hardware system and handle options. And lastly, finish options including 75 exterior anodized finishes in the industry's finest powder coating. To learn more, make an appointment to visit our Ram window and door showroom today.